Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's talk about the JavaScript keywords, that is a let, const and where, and how to declare variables, how to print a variable. Let's see in this particular video. So now let's play the intro and move on to the coding part. So in the last
lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
So in the last session we have completed, this is the first till we have seen in the first video like about the introduction and how to print the statements in the JS like in the console. So in this particular video, let's talk about the where. So I'll just create a new file. I'll just make it as js2.js. So I created a second JavaScript file over here. So I'll just come back to my index.html file. So I'll just comment this particular line. So before that, I'll just press Ctrl D to copy. So here I'll just press as a Ctrl slash, that is the line will be get commented. So here now I want to load the JavaScript second file. So I'll just tell, so I want to load js2.js file here. So once I save, so I'll just close the first file here. I'll just open the second JavaScript file which I have created now. So now I'll just tell console.log. So here I'll just name it as welcome to my second tutorial. So I'll just write something like this. If I just press save, now I need to run the live server. So I'll just dispose the back. So I'll just click onto the go live here. So once I open here, you can see welcome to my JS tutorial. If I right click and inspect it, so you can see the particular code is been reloaded. Here you can see welcome to my second tutorial. That means the JavaScript code is just running fine in this particular way. So now I'll just come back over here. So now let's talk about the data type. What are the things is there? So I just said I want to talk you about the let, and I want to talk you about the where, and I'll be telling you about the const. So what are the things about these three? So basically, if I want to create any of the like I want to create any variable name. Suppose I can just choose, if I just tell where. If I want to create a variable a, so I'll just tell a variable name as a. If I just press equal to, I want to assign the value, I'll just press a is equal to 12. So now I want to print the particular a value. So I'll just tell console.log. So I'll just pass this particular a value, means you can see the output I'll be getting as a 12 over here. That means a is a variable name, that is a variable name. So basically to define a variable name, we have the some of the rules. So the first rule, I will just open this PDF. So where I have written you the notes, you can see. Inside the rules I have declared here. So rules to declare a variable can start with A to Z, or capital A to Z, or we can start with underscore, or we can start with $, also. And it cannot start with any of the special symbols like @ symbol, hashtag symbol, and a percentage symbol. Then make sure if all the particular variable name which you are declaring should be a case sensitive, or it should be treated as a capital letter or small letter in this particular fashion. Okay, so the particular let and the const has been introduced in the ES6 version of the JavaScript. Okay, so now let's see how to declare a variable. You can see I said you, so where, what is the where over here? So where is a particular, the particular what I have defined here inside the PDF, you can see it is a variable type. So it is a variable type is a where, and the variable name is a name over here. So here the variable name is a, and the tool is a value you have assigned it over there. So then equal is what? Assignment operator. So that you are assigning the particular value to the particular variable name. It can be anything, it can be string or anything. So if I want to assign some variable name, if I just tell again where, I'll just tell the first name is equal to, if I give my name over here, so I can just print so 12, and if I want to print the particular name, I'll just tell the first name over here. If I just save, so come back here, you can see I'm getting 12 and Anis. That means the particular value which is stored inside a variable that I'm accessing inside my console. So this is about declaring a variable right now. So now let's see about the particular more about the where now. Suppose I have a first name I have given here. Suppose I have defined a value is equal to 12 now. Suppose if I try to change the value again, if I just tell where a is equal to, if I try to print 34. So now if I just tell console, I just tell console.log. If I want to print the particular a value again, so what will be the output? You can see I'm getting the 34 itself, because the where is like something like whatever the value is currently updated inside your variable, that particular variable value it will take over here, and it will print inside your console over here. So this is all about the where over here. That means you can use the same variable name, and again you can reassign the value inside the where. But same thing if I want to tell about the const. If I just tell const, so I am using a next keyword, that is a const. So if I just tell const, if I just tell channel, So if I just tell const channel is equal to, if I just tell my channel name here as ARK Procoder channel, if I just tell ARK Procoder as a channel name over here. So now if I just tell console dot log function, if I just tell console dot log, if I want to print the particular channel name, if I just save it here, obviously the ARK Procoder will get printed. So same thing if I just write in some other way, if I just tell const, suppose I want to give the first name, okay, so I'll just declare the const variable. Now I'm just declaring the first name over here. If I just declare it, you can see I'm getting unconfig and missing the initializer in the const declaration. That means I cannot simply assign the, I cannot simply declare the particular variables over here. So I need to, once you declare the variable, you need to give some values to it, whether it might be integer value or a string value or any object or any array value like that. So because that is the one thing inside the const over here. Now suppose if I try to use again the same way, so if I just tell where, if I just tell where channel again, if I just tell where channel is equal to something, if I just tell where channel is equal to ARK. So now if I try to run this particular code in the JavaScript, you can see again I'm getting a variable that is channel has been already declared. That means once the channel, the particular variable name is used inside the const, you cannot use the same variable name, either it might be in the where function like that. Like you cannot use the same variable name once you have defined it inside a const. And one more thing, I cannot change the value of the const also. If I try to change the value of the channel is equal to ARK, if I just try to run, you can see again I'm getting assignment to const variable at this one. So I am getting again error, like you cannot change the value of a channel name, you cannot change the value of a channel name also. Once the value is assigned, that will be fixed. Again you cannot use the same variable name, again you cannot change the value of the variable name inside the const. So now to overcome this, we have a let also. So we have a let. So let's see how the let will be used. So use a let. Suppose I want to use a let. Now I'll just tell let. So I'll just tell channel. So I'll just tell let channel is equal to. So I want to change the channel name to something like, I'll just tell code with Harry. Okay, code with Harry is the channel name. So if I just tell channel is equal to code with Harry, now see if I try to console, if I just tell console dot log, if I want to print the particular channel, so you can see the particular channel would have coming as a code with Harry over here. Why? Because if I want to change any of the value from the const variable, you need to use a flower brackets. Inside that you can use a let particular variable type, and you can just give the same constant name whichever you have given, and you can try to print it. But same thing if I try to, now if I in the particular block I am getting channel is code with Harry. So outside the block, if I try to print the particular channel, I'll be getting the const channel name as ARK Procoder itself, because it will take the global variable value over here inside the let. So inside the block, whatever the value you have given, only that particular value will be taken over here. If I can see, you can see I'm getting a ARK Procoder, and I'm getting here as a code with Harry. So this is all about the const, let, and where. So basically it is a good practice to use the const and a let in the when you're creating examples. So this is one of the small example for this particular keyword. So I hope you have understood all the how the where characters will work. So where is, once again I'll just glance you. So where is nothing but you can use the same variable names again, you can change the values again. So whichever the latest value will get updated inside your variable name, that will get printed. So once you use a const function, so you cannot just simply declare a const function. Once you declare a const function, you need to give the value for the const variable value here. So then if you want to try to change directly, it won't give the error, it will give the error here. If I just tell again const, so if I just tell const channel is equal to code with Harry, if I just tell const channel code with Harry, so it will give what? It will give me the error. So it will give the error, so it will give the error because the same channel name I cannot use it. You can see it will be giving the error over here, already declared. So this is one of the error. To overcome of this error, we can go ahead with the let. So we can define open the block, and I can just define the channel. I can change the channel name. I can use the same variable name as whichever you have defined inside the const, and you can just print it by using a console dot here. So now let's see with the more with the let. So now I want something like, I want to just tell let, I want to just make it city is equal to, so I'll just tell let city is equal to Bangalore. Something I'll just tell let city is equal to Bangalore. So if I just tell console dot log, if I just want to print the particular city, obviously the city will get printed. Now I want to make the particular city again, I'll just make it to Mumbai. Okay, so I just try to Mumbai. So if I just tell console dot log. Now I want to print the particular city, so I want to give a dot operator here. So if I just try to print like this, so let's see what will be the output. You can see first Bangalore will be getting printed, now the Mumbai is also getting printed. So once the city let you have used, again no need of using let again and again, so even the const also. So once the let city is there, you have defined this particular variable name to Bangalore. Now the console.log you have printed, again you are changing the value. You can change the value in the let also. So you can see again I am changing the particular city value to Mumbai. So again if I try to print the particular city, so whichever the latest value you have updated, that particular value will get printed over here. So this is how about the let, const and where will work in the particular scenario in the JavaScript syntax according to the JavaScript syntax. So now I'll talk you about the declaring a variable. So I have said you before like what are the rules to declare a variable. So there are 4 ways to declare a variable. Like it is best practice to use this one. If I just want to declare a variable like first name, so this particular case we call it as a camel case. Okay, so we call it as a camel case. That is the first letter should be small and the next particular word first letter should be capital. And I can just use this particular fashion also, first name. So if I just use a underscore, if I just use the particular underscore over here, so we call this particular case as a snake case. Okay, so this is snake case. So like this also I can declare a variable. It is also a good practice. And if I want to use a Pascal case, both the letters should be capital. If I just tell first and the name, so this we call it as what? This we call it as a Pascal case. Pascal case. Okay, so that if you want to declare a variable Pascal case, you need to just use both the letters of the first letter should be capital of the word. So then if I want to use something hyphen, so that is I'll just tell first hyphen name. Even if you want to use this like this as a variable name, like first hyphen name, so this we call as a kebab case. Okay, kebab, you know, you have eaten the chicken, so that we call it as a kebab case, because like you'll tell kebab mein haddi, so the haddi is nothing but here is a hyphen. Okay, so this is how we can declare. You can just use these all the concepts while declaring a variable. So always I'll be preferring the camel case. The first letter should be small and the second letter of the word should be a capital letter. So this is all about the where, let and const, and the next topics we'll see in the next video. So I'll see you in my next video.